welcome back to another vlog. This will probably be our 4th of July vlog.
The beginning of it.
So hey, we are walking to the mail because one, I want to see if she'll do her cute kicky thing, squeal for the mail, but also
I ordered her some onesies for our Disney trip for her birthday. And they came.
Onesies? Yay!
All the way from the foreign land of China.
Oh my.
Jessie, look where we're at. It's your favorite thing.
Yeah!
You see it?
Are you excited?
What is in the box? I feel them.
Jessie,
Look.
your onesies!
It's yours.
You want to hold that one?
Yeah. Can you help me with everything else? There's a lot.
Yeah. You got your onesies, babe. Let's go check them out. Open it up, see what's inside. Open it up, see what's inside.
There's one of them.
Oh, that's cute.
This one is the balloons. Okay.
Oh, let's not throw all them out. Thank you. Wow!
She just wants the plastic.
Can I hold the plastic? Thank you. Thanks.
You love it.
Yay!
You love it. And then we have Walt Disney and Mickey at the castle.
Wow, so cute.
Aww.
Also
Happy
huge.
birthday coming up.
Is that Jessie or is that a firework?
It is 4th of July.
Do we have a firework in our house? Tell me she doesn't sound like a firework. You're just so festive for the holiday. You gonna climb the stairs?
All the way to Grandy's house.
John, what do you say this is? We climb to what?
Not Grandy.
We are here at Contact Climbing because I have the climbing bug.
Climbing bug?
Yeah, after going with Taysom, and I really think that John's gonna like it a lot.
Let's do it. Did you get all the way up?
Yes.
How do I even do this?
It's tricky, huh? Because they're like so little.
Yay!
Both hands, yeah, you completed it. Nope. Both hands up, you're almost there. Yeah. Are you dead? Just need to get to there. Ah, one more hand. So close. So Johnny climbed all the way up this red one. I got to the black part like right
And then
there.
I did that one over there too, all the way.
Yeah, so the one in the corner over here got all the way up to the top. It's crazy. You okay? Maybe. Oh, so close. You want to try again?
Nope, I'm done.
Okay. We made it back alive, and John has the climbing bug now too, huh?
But not as intense.
Yeah, but you still have it.
It's not as intense though.
No, he was talking about getting not supplies. What's it called?
Supplies.
the things you need to do the sport. It's called something. Equipment.
Gear,
equipment.
equipment.
Yeah. Yes.
Paraphernalia.
Paraphernalia, our fun word. Hey!
Jessie, do you want to see your friend? Rabbit!
Yeah!
Scream for Rabbit!
Oh.
Yeah! Scream for Rabbit! Hey, Jessie, hey. It's Rabbit!
Whoa! We're trying to introduce like a lovey so that...
Lovey?
I don't know what you call it.
Why is there all these terms for things? Why can't it just be a stuffed animal?
Because it's something like, it's like a comfort object.
Yeah, a stuffed animal.
Yeah.
Back in my day, when I was a kid, we didn't have loveys, or we didn't have...
You didn't have a baby blanket?
We didn't have baby potties. We didn't do baby-led feeding or whatever you call it nowadays. Just trying to sound hip.
It's like a comfort object. We're trying to introduce her to a comfort object so
And
that...
she really likes this. So hopefully this is it, right?
Yeah, she's been liking this bunny lately.
And the pig.
And the pig. Yeah, so we're trying to give her one so that, you know, at night
Yep.
she has something that she can cuddle with and during naps and stuff. Hey, babe. Happy 4th of July.
It's your first one.
Yay! To our little firecracker. Our little firework. Yeah. Happy first 4th of July to you.
You smell like fireworks and you sound like them too.
Are you gonna get in the water or not? You get in the water?
You already knew. We all fall down.
Woohoo! Would you go in the water with Gigi?
Yes! Ring around the rosy. Let's all play.
Wow! You're such a big girl.
Look at this! Look at this! Look at
Oh my gosh.
What?
Stupid Abby was right here.
On her.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Get away.
So that means...
We're done.
I hate these. John was smart and grabbed her some toys, so now she's actually playing in the water. And Hudson is going super high.
Right now, we can watch them though, okay?
You can only escape for so long. Who's winning?
I just lost.
You just lost?
The first game.
Oh my gosh.
You see our friend Taysom, the dead bird?
Oh wait, we got those right.
There's a big old bird over there.
Rest in peace, little bird. Nice. They have an ongoing battle, so. But John always loses. One of these days, I'll win.
No! Stop filming me.
Okay.
Okay. By the dawn's early
Wow, you're getting brave.
at the twilight's and bright star through the perilous Oh yeah, that's how it goes. You build it and it falls down. That's okay. That's part of the fun. Rockets regular. We're singing. Through the night, and our flight was still blue. As the stars sparkle back yet way. For the
fun. So because we are not going to actually go see fireworks, we're just gonna see if we can see any in our neighborhood here for a second. Because I hear them, but
You can go out in front.
yeah, let's go right there. Yay! Jessie, we found some!
What's her reaction?
I don't know, she looks kind of like in shock.
You good?
Hey! You see him over there? I'm glad we get to see something at least.
That was so cool.
Your first 4th of July! To our little firework!
Aw. She looks terrified.
Are you scared?
She's leaning back.
Alright, I think we're gonna end the vlog here.
Happy 4th of July.
Yes. Jessie needs to go to bed, and that's all the fireworks that we are gonna catch tonight. So,
And we'll see how she sleeps.
hopefully the fireworks in our neighborhood don't go too long. This is our first time doing this, so who knows. Make sure you subscribe, share, and...
Care about us and yourself.
see you guys.
Jessie, what did we say? Ma, ma, ma. Ma, ma, ma. Oh, you almost did it. Ma, ma, ma. Ma, ma, ma. Ma, ma, ma. Ma, ma, ma.
Jessie, what
Jessie.
about dad, dad, dad?
Dad, dad, dad.
Dad? Dad.
Ma, ma. Mama. That was my favorite. Oh, that had to have been like 30 seconds of silence for that.
It was worth it.
Oh, that was amazing.